It's a balmy 35 degrees outside, and instead of cleaning up our garage, I think we're going to do something a little funner than that. My buddy Billy, I've got this gas door, fuel filler door for a 6.0 SS. My car is not an SS, so I will have no need for it. I think we're gonna run that over to him, check on him, see how his project's doing, and then you know, come back in time for dinner. So on three, here we go. 1, 2, 3. We might as well do it in style, right? Since all the snow is melted off the car and don't have to clear it off. Take the old air cooled over there. It'll probably start. This thing's old faithful. Got that marvelous fuel injection thing going for it. It's pretty amazing. Didn't even have to pump the brakes or the gas or whatever you have to pump. And the air didn't leak down, so that's cool. Let that run for a minute, and we'll hit the road. Gotta love the sound of them air compressors, am I right? Who needs hydraulics when you can listen to music to my ears? Not. I'd be a liar if I said I hadn't thought about putting hydraulics on this thing. I'm not really one to redo things on cars unless absolutely necessary, though. I've still got air in the system. Put a master cylinder on this towards the end of last year, and I didn't bench bleed it because air cooleds don't have reservoirs attached to them. So, in my brilliance, I thought I could get away with not bench bleeding it, which I've since learned that there's a way that you can do it without making a mess. That seems like a problem for when it's not 30 degrees outside. Woo. Forgot this thing's dog crap slow. I accidentally pulled off in front of somebody. Sorry, people. This car has a multitude of things wrong with it that need fixed, but it almost always starts. So who am I to complain? Squeaky wheel gets the grease, as they say, and as of right now, 6.0 is the squeaky one. Stupid rear end. Trying to show you how close me and Billy live, but without actually showing you where he lives. We're pretty much there already. We're right down the street from his house. It's been a pleasure both building our projects at the same time, living so close to each other. Where is he at? Where is he at? Here we go. Sounds like some real work going on.
Try to do a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you almost got to on a day like this, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little cold ain't gonna hurt nothing.
A little bit.
It's Ohio, right?
Yeah. You up to anything good today?
Just got done making those. Need to finish them, waiting on the ball joints.
Who are those for?
Fella ordered them from Florida.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So 1-inch extension, fully plated,
which is on the fins.
all welded all the way around, 3/16.
100% metallic.
Yep.
And like 8%
Heavy as hell.
Yeah, I need to start getting into the control iron game.
Yeah.
I don't do it because I call myself not stepping on people's toes, but it's like, man, money's money.
Right.
There's enough work out there for everybody.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So, if you guys don't know, this is Billy from Gym City Welding. Pause for applause. So, I just came over here to kind of shoot the shit with them, catch up. You know, Lowrider shows right around the corner, so we can probably talk about that a little bit, and then you know, probably go back home for dinner.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. That's it for now. I'm not making content, so I'm trying to look for excuses to record stuff.
Well, I like your newest video. Good job.
Which one was it?
The putting the rim.
Oh yeah. That's
sweet.
That's a style that I'm kind of messing with. We'll see. We can talk about that in a little bit, but
Yeah.
I'll bring you back for the drive back home. Dang! Somebody's fancy with their brand new floors or whatever. Check out the fitment. Check out the fitment. Gotta show you what's up, cause you won't be seen with the carpet over it. So, from what he was telling me, the fitment on putting these SS seats and the console and all the brackets to put them in was a very extensive process. And he's got a lot of time and efforts in getting these perfect. It's always the things that people don't see that takes the most amount of time half the time. And if you want to check out and you need some tips on this process, putting floors in a car, is it a series or just?
The floor is a series. Yep.
Yeah. So he's got a series on some tips and tricks on how to put this floor in and get it fitting right. It's definitely something to check out, just to make sure that you don't, end up cutting something that you didn't mean to, or he might have saved you some time, like locating these things. He's got some neat tricks on how to make sure all your brackets and stuff end up in the right place. So, got this SS door that will probably go somewhere around there. It probably just needed the trim, but I had it and I don't need it, so it's better off over here than in my garage collecting dust, literally. So is that what's next? You working on floors, or this? You're pretty much on pause from this in order to do this, right?
Yeah, because once I finish the front floor, I'm gonna start on the trunk and cut all that out. Because I got a brand new trunk pan.
Oh yeah, and he's got inner fenders for the back. Them fat sticks. Are you supposed to show those?
Sure, you can.
Right. It's like Cadillac Dan did these donuts for him. So that'll be pretty slick. Is that a cold case radiator?
It's an off-brand, but it's made for the CPP 500 gearbox, so it's notched.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
But I'm trying to decide if I want to shave the firewall, because we've got some rust up there, and
Yeah, they all seem to do that, it seems.
I think I could fix it, but it might be cool to shave it too. So
You keeping the heater box, or you want vintage air? Or?
I definitely want some heat,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure about the AC stuff. We'll see down the road, maybe.
Nice, nice.
Be kind of cool to shave it and keep the heater box. Be different.
That would be cool. I mean, I've got an underdash on mine right now, but I don't like the way the vents. I don't have a defrost right now.
Oh,
The way it works, it just blows out.
yeah.
So, but definitely, you should check out Gem City Welding if you have not done that yet. He's got some pretty cool content. Basically, he does a lot of what I do, except more in depth. I'm doing patchwork. He's doing a full restoration. So, if you want to learn how to do it the right way, look at his channel. If you want to learn how to get by, you look at my channel. So, I'm gonna let him go so he can finish cleaning up and probably get home and get some supper. It's definitely nice having kind of parallel projects with somebody who lives literally almost walking distance.
Yeah, that's a good time.
Yeah. So. Sun hitting that thing just right. I can feel the temperature change since I got here. Reality's hitting that it's still winter. Let's see if we can get lucky again. Nice. Oh. That was fun. Get out the house for a minute. Oh, emergency brakes on. I want to turn that off. Boy, if you're watching this and you're not in Ohio, and you're somewhere where there's not snow on the ground, be grateful. This stuff is tough. I did take a peek at some stuff on the suspension as far as dimensions go and everything, and I did find out that I have a little bit more room for the uni-ball for the wishbone that I thought I did, so that gives me a little bit more confidence. And yeah, it was just nice to, like I said, have some chats with a fellow 6'4" builder. Kind of help motivate each other. Talked about the upcoming Lowrider show and all the silly antics and politics. People talking about boycotting and stuff like that. You know, we're both kind of on the school of, you know, let's have fun, make sure the culture stays relevant. Relevant? I don't know. We're in it. We're doing it. We're looking forward to it. Lowrider, Indianapolis. April 4th, 5th, and 6th, I think. It'll be fun. Alright, we can get back to the house. One thing I'll say about constantly having a project that runs is on a day like this, it's always nice to have something to boost your morale and remind yourself why you're in the cars to begin with, because sometimes it be a struggle to stay motivated. When you got a project that's been down for months or years and there's no light at the end of the tunnel, that can be rough. But if you got something, it ain't even gotta be something elaborate. It could just be like a freaking, like a daily on coils and wheels, or I don't know, if you're into motorcycles or something like that. Something fun that's mechanical, you know, that can keep your spirits up. So that's it for now. Obviously, I've got more work to do. Won't be now, but I don't know. How do people end? I'm trying not to say the thing, you know, that people say at the end of their videos. Go do some stuff, even if it's cold, even if the situation's less than ideal. Keep pushing. That way, when it's warm, we can hang out and you can drive your stuff. All right, I'll holler. It's about beverage 30, I think. See you later.